Hey guys, welcome back to another. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Stuart's Garage. This time we're going to work on the VE 6SPEED. So we'll just do a quick video on this ugly beast of a thing. But we're going to have a crack at pulling it apart, and it should be a bit of fun. Nah, wrong size. Here comes the stinky ATF fluid, which is bad. I hate gear oil and I hate ATF fluid, and I probably should have drained the whole thing first, but I didn't. Anyway, just hopefully 8 or 10, 12 litres don't come flying out, which probably will, not my luck. Big mess. Big mess. Really lucky, I just had some rags close by I could grab real quick, because I had the fluid right on the edge of the pallet, just about to go on the floor, and I just caught it. So I was really lucky. But I did all this the wrong way. Should have lifted up first and then undid this, and then it could have just drained out without any spillage. But live and learn. First time I've done one of these. So yeah, all fun and games. We'll put the gearbox onto the engine stand. Let's do it. Let's hope it doesn't fall. Perfect. That's more stable than some of the engines I've put on here. A few things to undo, so let's get into it. The internals are one of those. Well, that's certainly different to what I expected, but very good learning, even though I got oil everywhere and all over myself and in my toes and everywhere else. Well, that'll pull us up for today and for this video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. The Emerock engine that I had lined up didn't work out. Not to worry, we'll got a different engine lined up. I'm just going to show you a quick shot of it, and leave a comment if you can pick which engine it is just by a quick shot I'll do. Let's go. So that's it. So leave a comment if you know what it is straight off the bat. Some of you guys will know. Alright, Thanks very much. See you in the next one.